Kajilang juga kinhun menteri kebelalong haka shipoterik ujumang arja arpuar kalarai ben Pyntreikam Noh ek roster system haka reservation policy jong kajilang. Habokren baginong thok kebor hadim belawai kajilang menteri rang ba ulong bagijing Pyntreikam ek roster system kamut ben Pyntreikam perking ek reservation policy karkum kijing mang kibeladan haka. Umentri rang ba ulong bakan long kakam ke bahap ban le penyak bha barka sorkar kan hap shim khiai kani da ka pe iki kindon ki badon haka reservation policy lengba ka roster system kan don ka jing bha barka jing mang ban ai kam ru iki brio ki badon haka jing duna ki khot met ka balong 100%.
The important part was to submit the roster or to clear the roster. So the cabinet has passed the roster system. So now we'll take things forward, and this was, as I said, a very heavy exercise that required a lot of detailed discussion to be done. So we've done that, and then we've cleared it, and now let's see now the process will move forward.
So if you can tell us, how will the government implement this roster system?
You see, roster system is very simple. Roster system requires, as you're aware, that in a roster system there is the reservation policy comes in terms of the number. I mean, I can only explain it when I give an example to you. We had implemented the roster system even for the physically challenged and disabled people, and in that there's a reservation of 4%. So how roster system works is very simple. That only if any recruitment had 25 posts, would one post go to the physically challenged people. But then now with the roster system coming in, suppose there is a 10 posts that are there, then then of course there will not be any reservation for the physically challenged. And then again the next, if there are 15 posts that have come out for recruitment, then the 15th post will go to the physically challenged. So the roster system ensures that the reservation policy is implemented in letter and spirit.